Hello, boys and girls. Today I'm going to help you with number 6 on page 93. It says the sum of, I don't like that color, excuse me. The sum of 4 numbers is 1,230. The average of 3 of them is 293. And the question is asking me to find what is the 4th number. I'm going to start by remembering something that we talked about in class, and that it's when we're trying to find the average, when we have the average, and we want to find the total, we need to multiply. So that's the thought I'm having right now. And I know that in the first part of the sentence, it told us that the sum of the 4 numbers is 1,230. And I know that sum means the total of numbers added together. Now, since the problem gave me the sum of the 4 numbers and the average for the 3, I'm going to find the sum or the total for 3 of the numbers. So I'm going to start by taking my number 293 and multiplying it by 3 so I can get the total. I have 3 plus 2, which equals 8. So now I know that the sum for these 3 numbers is 879. But I need to find out the 4th number. So since I know that the total for the 4 numbers is 1,230, and I know that the sum for the 3 numbers is 879, all I have to do now is take the sum of the 4 numbers and subtract it from the sum of the 3 numbers, and then it's going to give me my very last number. So I know that I can't do 0 minus 9, so I have to borrow. 10 minus 9 is 1. I have to borrow again. 12 minus 7 is 5. 11 minus 8 is 3. So now I know that my last number has to be 351. So 351 is the 4th number. For those of us who are still confused on why I subtracted those numbers, if we think back to our handy dandy bar graph, so here's our bar graph with 4 boxes, which would represent the 4 numbers. Now I know if the sum of all 4 of them added together is 1,230, and then I have the sum of the 3 numbers, which is 879, I still need to figure out what this very last box is. So that's why I did 1,230 and subtracted 879, because 879 plus this number needs to give us our total of 1,230. So I hope that's a good visual for those of us who weren't understanding why to subtract.